Hello beautiful souls. In this video I have a super powerful immune boosting healthy drink that will help aid in weight loss, and it's only 4 ingredients. So bam, let's get started. The first ingredient is apple cider vinegar. It's great to curb cravings, weight loss, and helps with heartburn and so much more, you guys. And then next we have pure cranberry juice. Make sure your cranberry juice is not from concentrated. That means it's not concentrated with anything else. It's in its purest form. And cranberry juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps keep your immune system healthy, helps kill harmful bacteria, and some studies have shown that it's very good with the lady parts. And then last but not least, I have a fresh pineapple and pineapple juice. Remember, get not from concentrate. That means it's not concentrated with anything. And pineapples boost the immune system, aids digestion, fight inflammations, and help manages weight loss, strengthen bones, and is also good with the lady parts. And if you don't know how to cut a pineapple, bam, I got you. Right here, I have pineapple chunks, 100% pineapple juice. Make sure you get 100% pineapple juice because the one that has syrup in it is not good for you. Yes, let's get straight into how to make this wonderful, powerful drink. Let's get it. Hello beautiful people, my name is Candace and welcome to my channel where everything's perfect. Throw up them hearts, including you. So first things first, let's cut up this pineapple. If you don't know how to cut a pineapple, I have a video on this channel on how to cut a pineapple, but I'm using a fresh pineapple only because I like everything straight, fresh from its source. Like I said, I got you. If you don't know how to cut a pineapple, just buy this can and pineapples, and it has the juice, and you can skip the pineapple and the pineapple juice. So I've been down so you guys can see me. So now we have the cup of ice. And so first we're gonna use our apple cider vinegar. The recommended dosage is 2 tablespoons a day, 2 tablespoons. So let's pour that in there. Then next we have our cranberry juice. Remember to get not from concentrated. That means that it's in its purest form. So we're just gonna fill this up, not all the way to the top, but right there. And then next, pineapple juice. But like I said, I got you. If you don't have pineapple, just use this what's in this jar, and then you could top it with the fresh pineapples. But yes, not from concentrated, so pour the rest up in there. And then last but not least, we're gonna top it. Stir it up, give it a nice little swirl. Cheers, let's do it. Let's drink to good health. Oh my God, this is so good. It's not tart or sour at all. That pineapple like set this drink off, you guys. It's so good. So what I want to do is challenge you to drink this every day for 7 days straight. And I want you to come back to this video and tell me how you feel. What has changed? Because like I said, this is a immune system power pack, weight loss, help with your digestion. The pineapple, the cranberry juice with the apple cider vinegar is amazing. Always remember to get not from concentrated, you guys, though, when you are shopping for your pineapples and your cranberry juice. But if all fails, make sure that you do get this can. Make sure it does not have syrup in it. Make sure that it has 100% pineapple juice, you guys. So if you are new to this channel, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. I am Candace, and on Mondays I come with all the business, health, and fitness, you know what I'm saying? Because health and fitness is my passion. You know, getting aligned, healthy mind, body, and spirit has changed my life, and I just want to share with you guys what I've learned. And then throughout the week, I talk about inward beauty, exuding outwardly. So that inward beauty is like hair, you know what I'm saying? Pineapple hair, fashion, any and everything external, you know what I'm saying? So if you like this video on my power packed ACV cranberry pineapple drink, hit that thumbs up button right now, right now, because I'm going to be coming through all the good health and fitness, talking about inward beauty, exuding outwardly, you know what I'm saying? So subscribe, because guess what? I'm gonna keep them videos coming. I'ma keep them videos coming. I'ma keep them videos coming. Yes. And always remember that you are perfect. Yes, you. I love you, mean it. You know what I'm saying? I love you and I mean it. You are perfectly human. Yes. Throw up them hearts. Perfect gang and no gang, 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 gang. Let's connect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. You guys, this is so good. Like, I'm in heaven. It's like the perfect texture. Like, it's not sweet. It's not sour. It's like, and you barely taste the ACV, the apple cider vinegar in it. It's like, it dilutes it. So that's a plus because ACV is nasty. And then you have like a little treat at the end. When you're done, you're able to eat the pineapple. So I'm excited about that because I love, love, love pineapple. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked this recipe. So let me know what you think. Wishing everyone a good day.